Music enhances our lives.
Music gives us a voice.
Music brings us together.
CF Martin creates the tools that help us make music.
Hi, I'm Chris Martin, here at the Martin Guitar Factory, and you know what's cool about manufacturing? Everything.
Throughout its history, Martin has innovated the guitar to what we now see as kind of the ultimate steel string guitar. Innovations include things like the X bracing, neck joints, different bracing patterns. We believe the human touch of our people being involved throughout the process ultimately creates an instrument that makes it something really special for the people that play the instrument.
Why would someone want a custom guitar made from Martin?
Well, so there's quite a few reasons, but the biggest one are people like to put their personal touch on their guitar, whether it be just a message to get out there for different charities, or whether it's just one of their names that they want to put on there. My favorite step throughout the process is going through all the fine, intricate details of bringing each idea to life, whether it just be something simple as just putting in a little cross or a vine, just seeing that personal touch and knowing that going to make a customer very happy. If somebody dreams up an idea, we'll actually take it, we'll actually make the artwork ourselves, and we'll bring it to life for them.
As a company, we bring people together as we hire new people on, and all of our coworkers here. We have about 335 hourly coworkers that are actually touching the guitar to make the final product. So it really brings people together here. And then the final product brings people together through music.